Hey there, so a quick look at this LED fidget spinner that I got online. So you can see it's a typical fidget spinner, but one of the weights here, it's got a LED kind of panel, and it's just press activated. So the switch is there behind the this plastic here. It's got three modes: one, two, three, and then off. So mode one has words on it, and I'm not sure what it says. Party, happy party. Very hard to see. I'll try to get an image of that for you. But yeah, press it again to get the second mode, which is kind of like a pattern. So yeah, that's a bit hard to see, but I'll follow up with a better video in the dark. And the last mode has some patterns in it. And you press it and it's off. So just give me an idea how it looks. All these bits are, you can take them out. They're just really plastic things with weights in it. And there's this bit here. So I'm sure if you try hard enough, you can open it up and probably replace the cell battery if you need. You see how that easily goes in. So the construction of it is is a typical fidget spinner. So let's give it a go in the dark. Okay, I'm in a darkened closet now. So yeah, you can see it's pretty dark. Turn it on. So that's mode one. Let's spin it. Yeah, so hard to see the words in that first mode. Second mode, it's got this neat little pattern to it. Last mode has this moving pattern. Dropped it. Okay, just dropped it. So last one has a moving pattern. Let's do it again. Let's try the first mode again. And that second mode.